On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be doing some light reading inside of our Moccasin module. We're going to pick up from where we left off yesterday, so let's dive right in. So this is what our complete test favorites.py file looks like. You can see here we have from SRC, which is our source, and we're going to import favorites. So this is saying here from our source or from the SRC, we're going to import our favorites file. Then we're going to say define test starting values function. And inside that function, we're going to say favorites contract equals favorites.deploy function. And then we're going to assert favorites contract.retrieve. And we're going to set that function equal to 42. Now to run our test, we simply go to our terminal and run this command. We can say mox test. This command will run all the tests in the test folder and report the results. Now, if our test passes, we will see a message indicating that all tests passed. If our test fails, we will see an error message indicating which test failed and why. Now, ironically, we don't get to go over this inside of our Moccasin module here because, like I said, we're having equipment issues and we weren't able to download the dependencies and all of the packages we needed. But we were able to see how the test functions and how the tests operate inside the Super Saiyan project because we've been running them lately and we had a few of them failed and we configured some of them and we got a few of them to pass. So we've been working with the tests even though we haven't been working with them in the Moccasin file or the Moccasin project that we're working on. Inside the Super Saiyan project, we've been going over tests extensively and we got a good understanding of what's going on. So there's no telling where your journey will take you as long as you stay making progress and you keep moving forward. You're going to come across the tools you need and the information you need eventually. So with that being said, let's move forward. So in the next section, we will explore the concept of testing deploy scripts. This is testing deploy scripts. The drawback to our current test is that our deploy could do something wrong if we don't deploy correctly. So in the next section, we will learn how to test our deploy scripts to ensure that our contracts are deployed correctly. Now that's what we're going to leave it at for now. Tomorrow we're going to pick back up, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.